Hello, welcome to Loubby AI Dashboard. Today, I'll be walking you through the assessment feature. To get started, click on the Assessments option on the side navigation. This takes you to the Assessments page. Here, you can create, view, and manage assessments for new hires. These assessments are linked to job openings, allowing candidates to take them during the recruitment process. They can be graded manually or automatically to determine whether candidates proceed to the next stage of the job pipeline. On the Assessments page, you'll see two main sections: All Assessments and Pending Assessments. Under All Assessments, you can view every assessment that has been created. Those marked as draft are still editable and not yet published. To complete a draft, fill in all required input fields and continue from where you left off. Moving to pending assessments. These are the ones that have been published and attached to job posts. You can view each pending assessment to see candidates who are yet to take them. If an assessment shows closed, it means the deadline has passed. Open assessments are still available for candidates to attempt. Next, let's check the Completed Assessments tab. Here, you can see which ones were auto-graded and which were manually graded. Auto-graded means the AI automatically scored the assessment, while manually graded ones were reviewed by the employer. Clicking on any completed assessment shows detailed results. You can view the candidate's overall score, pass mark, correct and incorrect answers, and their total performance. You can also change how your assessments are displayed. Switch between Card View and List View using the toggle button, whichever suits you best. Now, let's look at how to create an assessment. There are two ways to do this: create your own assessment manually or generate one automatically using AI. Let's start with the first option. Click on the Add button, then select Create Your Own Assessment. You'll be taken to a creation page. Enter a title for your assessment. For example, Test. 4 questions. Next, add your questions. You can choose question types like multiple choice or free text. Add your question, provide the options, and save. Once saved, your questions appear on the list. When you're done, click Next and fill in the required details to finalize your setup. Your new assessment will appear in drafts until it's published. Now, the second method, Generate Assessment with AI. Click on the Generate AI button. A modal will appear where you can select the job role the assessment is for. For example, Sales Intern. Next, choose the experience level: entry, mid, or senior. Let's choose entry level. Then select the question type: multiple choice, single choice, code-based, free response, or mixed. Let's go with multiple choice. You can set the number of questions, between 10 and 50. We'll create 10 questions for this example. If you want, you can provide additional prompts or context to help the AI focus the questions around specific topics or skills. Next, choose the difficulty level: easy, medium, or hard. We'll go with medium. You can also set a time limit. Let's set it to 15 minutes. Once you're ready, click Generate Assessment. After a few seconds, the system will create the full set of questions. Click View Assessment to review the generated questions. You'll see that all 10 questions are relevant to the sales intern role and follow the selected format. If you're satisfied, click Add Assessment to finalize. Your new AI-generated assessment has now been successfully added. Visit Loubby AI to get started.